Hi, welcome to another video on SSE. So in this video, we are going to look at three aspects of an SSE transport-based MCP server. We're going to look at the ping aspects, then we are going to look at how the routing happens, and then we also see how we can add a health check to our MCP server. So in the previous video, we saw the execution flow. So let's look at the code first. So in this code, we have added one extra endpoint called /health. Okay, and this /SSE and messages existed in our earlier MCP servers as well. And this uses SSE transport. This endpoint uses post, HTTP post method, and then the health endpoint uses simple get method. Okay, do see here we have a route, another route here. Okay, why this is a mount, and you notice that there is a slash here. This means all subpaths, messages / whatever we query will go to this post message handle call. Okay, whereas in this case, this route /SSE and route /health will have to exactly match. That is all. Then this health check is very tiny script, but very useful when you launch your MCP server. So it just returns state is OK. This indicates that the MCP server is working. Now I want to highlight how the SSE server sends a ping message. So let's start the SSE server. This is the same server code that we saw just now and we used in all our previous exercises. So here our UECon MCP server is running. It uses SSE transport. If you look at the Docker compose, you will notice that MCP simple tool server is running transport SSE and port 3001. Here we have the health check added in our Docker compose with sufficient startup delay, etc. So this you can adjust all these numbers. You can adapt based on your server performance and initialization time, etc. So ensure that when this health check gives OK, it means that your MCP server is ready to serve. So that is one addition we did. And so now let's run the MCP server. So here MCP server is being started and it is listening to port 301. And see here, it is confirming that the health is OK. So this is the Docker compose that is checking the container's health with the endpoint that we have specified.